class we will discuss about what is requirement collection and what is feasibility studies. Today we will see what is design and what is coding. It is the third stage of waterfall model. It is done by senior architecture and designer. In this stage, senior architecture and designer will create one blueprint to the application. That means how to develop application in particular ways. In design stage, there are two levels of designs. One, high level design, and two, low level design. What is high level design means? In high level design, architecture will develop main module of the application, and low level design means in low level design architecture will develop in each and individual modules in this low level design stage. For example, we will take one book. In book first page we see index or contents. We assume that this index page or content page is a high level design, and inside the book we can see entire the data of lessons and so much of thing. These pages we will take a example of low level design. Design stage will completed. Next we will see what is coding. After design stage completed, we will go to coding stage. Coding stage, it is also team consistent. Senior developer, junior developer, and fresher. These three members are working in coding stage. In coding stage, these developers see the customer requirements, what customer is given to company, and start write coding. For example, customer gives some requirements. After design stage, developers will see the requirements and they will start write coding. Once coding is completed, that application transferred to the test engineer. We see what is testing is also a team consistent. In testing, senior test engineer, junior test engineer, and fresher. These persons are working in testing phase. Once code writing is completed, software will give to the testing team, and in testing team, test engineers will test the software and check whether the software is working according to customer requirements or not. This means test engineer will see the customer requirements and testing the software, it will work according to these requirements or not. The software will work perfectly according to these requirements. The software will transfer next installation stage. In case the software did not work these requirements, there is a defect in the software. That software will give back to the developer for fixing the defect. Next we see what is installation. Once after testing is passed, the software will passes the testing. That software will give to the installation stage. In installation stage, IT engineer and site engineers are there. What they will do means, IT engineer go to the customer place, IT engineer goes to the customer place with software. First, he will build one environment, because the software will not work all type of environments. That's why IT engineer first in customer place they will build one environment. After that environment he will install the software. Once installation is completed, IT engineer will give one demo to the customer. Because customer is new to the software, that's why he don't know how to run the software. And IT engineer will give one demo to customer. Customer will learn how to use the software. After that, he will run his business successfully with this software. Next we see maintenance stage. What is maintenance stage? Once after installation is completed and customer will see the customer and company will in maintenance stage. In maintenance stage, customer will run software. He will find some small type of defects. To solve these defects in customer's place only. Because company will make an agreement for maintenance period also. In maintenance period, test engineers and developers are working, who are working the same software in developing stage. The same test engineer and developers will working in maintenance period, but less members only. Because in maintenance stage there is no lot of work, there is only few works. That means modify small feature, and deleting feature, and adding features. These three features done in maintenance period. In maintenance period, test engineers and developers will work free. Without any cost, they will work free. And customer found any defect in the maintenance period, test engineer and developer will fix the defect without any cost. any cost. Maybe the maintenance period will make an agreement like 6 to 9 months. That means that also it is based on project or companies. Once maintenance period is completed, customer found any defects, he will ask to software company to fix that, and software company will charge some amount to fix the defects. The defects are found in maintenance period. The defects are found in main maintenance period. Company did not charge any cost to fix the defects. Once maintenance period is completed, that means the agreement will completed. Customer will found any defects. He will ask the same software company to fix that defect. The software company will charge some amount to fix that defect. This is maintenance period, and today's class is this. Tomorrow we will see advantages and disadvantages of waterfall model and applications of waterfall model. That's all.